where you can actually have a conversation about the right way to mark up an address, and people don't look at you like you're crazy. They actually have opinions, and you can have a back and forth and learn from each other. That's why I love events like that.
I think it's very important to have community-driven events, because not only do you create like a common space for people to share, but it's also you take feedback from the people who are actually using technology in your area, and then you can imply that onto the speakers.
As a speaker, I really felt welcome and taken care of. Even all the small details are taken care of, so I really feel like I just can focus on what I'm going to talk about.
And what I really enjoy about it is how much you can put together the two communities that sometimes are kind of apart. Like, how can you put together like CSS and JavaScript communities and they get along and you can actually enjoy an event together? So that's beautiful, that's wonderful.